Gorgeous sunny day here in Dallas, Texas at Premier Truck Group of North Dallas. Wanted to show you a 2022 Freightliner Cascadia, looking sharp in black. This truck has 428,000 miles, aluminum wheels all the way around. Those are Michelin steer tires. This truck is going to have a DD15 paired with a DT12 automated manual transmission. That is a diesel-powered APU. Those are Yokohama new drive tires. You will have a sliding fifth wheel. The fuel tanks are 100 gallons dual, 200 total. You're looking at 455 horsepower with 1650 torque and a ratio of 2.85. Ready to hit the road. Still has manufacturer warranty on the engine and the chassis. You can call for details. Let me show you the inside. As we can see, we have the 5.0 Detroit Assurance with lane departure and collision mitigation. You have axle locks and suspension dump. Double bunk with new mattresses. Give us a call.